Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about conditional statements in PHP. Conditional statements in PHP are classified into four types. First one is if statement, second one is if else statement, third one is if else statement, and fourth one is switch statement. See, conditional statements are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. In PHP, we have following conditional statements. See, first one is if statement. If statement executes some code if one condition is true. See the syntax. If condition, you have to write condition here. If this condition is true, then this statement is going to be executed. Code to be executed if condition is true. If this condition is false, then this code is not going to get executed. See this example. I took $t is equal to data of h, and if $t less than 20, echo have a good day. See, if condition, this $t less than 20 is condition. If I take value 10, suppose I took $t is equal 10, 10 is less than 20, that means condition is true. So that this statement is going to get executed. Output is have a good day. For example, I took $t is equal to 30. See, 30 is greater than 20, but condition is $t less than 20. So the output is not going to get executed. Second one is if else statement. If else statement executes some code if condition is true and other code if condition is false. See, in if else statement, if condition is true, one statement is going to be executed, and if condition is false, another statement is going to get executed. See this syntax, you can understand. See, if condition, this code is going to get executed, else this is going to get executed. See, if condition, code to be executed if condition is true. If condition is false, else statement is going to get executed. Condition to be executed if condition is false. See this program. This program is similar to if statement. See, I took $t is equal to data of h. If $t less than 20, echo have a good day. If $t is less than 20, the statement is going to get executed, else the statement is going to get executed. That is echo have a good night. See, for example, I took $t is equal to 10. That means 10 is less than 20. So that have a good day is going to get executed. For example, I took $t is equal to 40. 40 is greater than 20. So this statement is going to get executed. Third one is if else statement. If else statement execute different codes for more than two conditions. See, that mean, for example, there is group of statements in that only one statement is going to get executed based on the condition. See the syntax. If condition, this code is going to get executed, else this code is going to get executed. See, if both are false, then statement which is present in else is going to get executed. See, I will show example so that you can understand. See, I took $t is equal to data of h. If $t less than 10, this statement is going to get executed, that is have a good morning. Else if $t less than 20, the statement have a good day is going to get executed. If both conditions are false, then the statement is going to get executed. See, for example, if I took $t is equal to 9, 9 is less than 10, so have a good morning, the statement is going to get executed. If I took $t is equal to 15, so that have a good day is going to get executed because $t is less than 20. If I took $t is equal to 30, these both are not going to executed. Have a good night is going to be executed because $t is greater than 10 and greater than 20. And last one is switch statement. Switch statement use the switch See, this switch statement is used to select one of many block of code to be executed. See, that means in a group of blocks, only one block is going to get executed based on the condition. See the syntax. Switch n, case label 1, code to be executed in label 1, break. Similarly, case label 2, code to be executed if n is called label 2, break. Similarly, continue. And at last, we have default statement. If all these conditions are false, then default statement is going to get executed. That is, code to be executed if n is different from all labels. See, I took dollar favorite color is called red. Switch statement condition is favorite color. See, in the case 1, I took red color. Case is red. Echo, your favorite color is red. Break. Similarly, in case 2, I took blue color. Echo, your favorite color is blue. Break. Similarly, in last, I took case 3, that is green. Echo, your favorite color is green. Break. And final, see default statement, echo, your favorite color is not present. See, but in our program, I dollar favorite color is red, so output is your favorite color is red. Similarly, if I take a favorite color is green, green is going to be get executed because we have in case 3 we have green color. But if I take a violet color, then default statement is going to get executed because this violet color is not present in our program. We have only 3 colors, that is red, blue and green. So that output is going to be generated default message, that is your favorite color is not present. Thank you. Friends, I have provided complete PHP tutorials in the below description. You can watch from there.